right. What do you have, Paisley? A puzzle? What are you going to do with it? Shake it? Show me. All right, give it to Vaughn. What kind of puzzle is it, Vaughn?
One that there's no lost pieces. It's really cool because all you need to do is shake it and then stir it and you whisk it and move it around.
All right. How does it work, Juliana?
Use this thing together.
The baby likes to shake it, huh?
Yeah, the baby wants it. And he's crying like Abraham wants it. You got a piece all the way down at the bottom. You got it there.
All right. Does Xander have a turn?
I say it's ingenious. A self-contained puzzle is easily be brought into the car without losing anything whatsoever. Meaning that if you're doing a long travel, this is the ideal thing to use.
Cool. All right, will you let your brother have a turn, please? Even the baby likes it. What'd you get? What'd you get? Did you get the Flipster puzzle? Is that a Flipster puzzle?